Hola amigos, welcome to the Mexpec Food channel. Today we are preparing cactus salad. I think you will love it. And you will need 1 can of sliced tender cactus, half cup of pico de gallo, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 4 tablespoons of shredded vegan cheese, and half peeled and sliced avocado. Get ready! Mix the cactus and pico de gallo with the vinegar, the olive oil, and the salt. Top it with the cheese and the avocado and sprinkle it with the oregano.